Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your GIS News for Friday, April 1. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is taking the lead to streamline government's response to the Zika and Influenza A H1N1 viruses. Mr. Holness chaired an interministerial meeting at Jamaica House Thursday morning to strengthen the response in a more strategic, comprehensive and systematic way. The meeting involved ministers and senior officials from the Office of the Prime Minister and the Ministries of Health, Local Government and Tourism. They discussed ways to facilitate closer collaboration across key response agencies and more strategic use of the available resources. The Office of the Prime Minister says government is committed to working with international partners and local stakeholders in the effort. At the same time, personal responsibility is being emphasized as citizens are urged to be vigilant and proactive. Agriculture Minister Carl Samuda has announced that some 3,000 acres of lands are to be irrigated to facilitate the expansion of the Agro Park project in Clarendon. These will be at the Ebony Park and Spring Plain Agro Parks. Minister Samuda was speaking at the 30th anniversary ceremony of the St. Mary Agri Expo on Monday. He also revealed that $190 million would be spent to expand the Agro Park project in Portland and St. Elizabeth.
Our strategy revolves around the development of our agro parks because you can't farm without water. Irrigation is key to success in the agricultural sector.
Work is set to begin this month on the renovation of classrooms and other facilities at the Warsaw Primary School in South Trelawney. The improvement work is being undertaken through a $10.2 million grant from the government of Japan under its grant assistance for grassroots human security projects. The project is expected to ease the overcrowding at the institution.
Through our assistance, we hope that many young students will be able to study more comfortably and achieve better academic grades.
Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid extended gratitude to the government of Japan for their assistance.
I firmly believe that one of the fastest ways to secure additional improvement in our education system is through partnerships at every level of the education rung. And so when we get partnerships such as the Japanese to come in, this is going to aid us in realizing our dream of ensuring that we have quality education for all our students.
The National Education Trust will oversee the procurement and construction management of the project. Government is to expand its partnership with the Jamaica University College to fill gaps in the area of special education. State Minister for Education, Youth and Information, Floyd Green, says this is to ensure that more students with learning challenges can receive timely intervention. Mr. Green says despite the gains that have been made, significant gaps still remain among the nation's teachers to detect children with special needs and appropriately address them.
This is a priority area for our ministry, and I take this opportunity to invite Michael to seize the opportunity to partner with us and to provide in-service training of teachers in special education.
The Education State Minister was delivering the keynote address at yesterday's media launch of Michael's 180th anniversary celebrations. He said Michael's 180-year existence was a testament of effective stewardship by successive administrators, faculty, and the student body. The Jamaica Customs Agency will be implementing a tax stamp system for the monitoring of alcohol and cigarettes. The system will be introduced on a phased basis. It allows for the authority to verify the authenticity of alcohol and cigarettes in trade and trace the products on the market. Commissioner of Customs, retired Major Richard Rees, made the disclosure during an interview with GIS News earlier this week.
The ultimate aim is to be able to track and trace all imports of alcohol and cigarettes or alcoholic products that are manufactured. So it will protect revenue in terms of excise, and it will also protect revenue in terms of customs duty.
He explained that the electronical readable stamp would be placed on the products at the source.
If the contraband enforcement team or the police do inspections or surveillance and detect alcohol or cigarettes without the requisite stamps, those goods will be confiscated as uncustomed goods, and they will be forfeited and the individuals will be charged.
And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.